Eaton is a leading global supplier of engine valves and valvetrain components, supplying 36 vehicle manufacturers worldwide. Our 9 global valvetrain facilities utilize state-of-the-art and proprietary technology to produce a complete range of automotive, commercial vehicle, off-highway, agriculture, and motorcycle products. Valve production process starts at the steel warehouse. The steel is transported with a gantry crane to the first machine for slug cutting. Cut slugs are transported to the fully automatic forging press. Valves are an essential component in an internal combustion engine and must withstand temperatures of 700 degrees Celsius or more over millions of cycles. Therefore, they need to be made of materials with high thermal and mechanical strength. The forging process gives the valve its initial shape. A key element of increasing thermal and mechanical properties is a proper heat treatment process. The type of heat treatment is dependent on the composition of the steel. In most cases, valve production requires the use of 2 grades of steel with different physical and chemical properties, since the valve head demands better thermal properties and the valve stem needs better mechanical parameters. Today's turbocharged engines are even more demanding on valves and often require a sodium-filled hollow stem to optimize working temperature and heat exchange. The valve head and valve stem are joined by friction welding. The valve is an extremely precise part with accurate dimensions and tolerances of 1/1000th of a millimeter. To ensure such a precise fit, valves are subject to a straightening process. To provide high temperature resistance inside an engine, the valve face is often made of stellite in a plasma seat welding process. The end of valve stem must withstand local forces and abrasion, therefore it receives an induction tip and hardening process. The final dimensions and valve geometry are obtained in a grinding process. Chrome plating improves wear resistance. The last valve production stage is a control process. It includes visual and functional inspection. One of the main stages of the functional control is a leakage test. Visual inspection is conducted by operators or cameras using advanced visual technologies. The computer analyzes the valve surface images and verifies it as per client requirements. The final audit includes a random control of all main characteristics, including valve stem diameter, groove diameter, or valve seat roundness. Once past the control process, products are packed into packaging type adjusted to customers' needs.